Astronomers follow a strict rulebook. It was written by the great Albert Einstein and then refined by Stephen Hawking. It says the universe began with a bang, then the gas cooled down and the stars turned on. Last week, the James Webb Space Telescope tore that rulebook apart. It looked back to the dawn of time, only 350 million years after the Big Bang, and found something impossible. This is galaxy JHZ2. Inside it sits a black hole so massive and so early that it should not exist. According to standard physics, there simply was not enough time for it to form. It is like walking into a nursery and finding a fully grown man sitting in a crib. Today, we find out how this monster got here and why its existence might mean the Big Bang did not happen the way we think. Hello, cosmic fans. Welcome to another video where we dive into the mysteries of the cosmic entities of our universe. The hot seat today is for one of the most enigmatic wonders of the universe, a black hole. Before we begin the video, I would love to know where you are tuning in from today and what aspect about a black hole intrigues you the most. 1. How black holes actually eat. To understand why this is a crisis, we must understand how black holes consume matter. It is not a free-for-all. There is a cosmic speed limit called the Eddington limit. Think of it like a crowded buffet. If a black hole eats too fast, the energy it creates pushes the food away. It chokes on its own burp. Because of this limit, a black hole that starts from a dead star, a light seed, should take about 1 billion years to become a supermassive giant. But JHZ2 is already a giant, and it is only 350 million years old. If it started small, it would have had to break the laws of physics every second of its life. 2. The rebel black hole that breaks rules. So did JHZ2 break the law? Earlier this year, astronomers found a clue that suggests maybe it did. Meet LID 568. This black hole, discovered only months ago, seems to ignore the speed limit entirely. It is eating matter at 40 times the Eddington limit. This is called super-Eddington accretion. The black hole is so messy and violent that it traps the radiation and forces the matter down its throat anyway. If JHZ2 ate like this, the mystery becomes less extreme. But there is a catch. Even at 40 times faster, you still need a head start. 3. Born huge from the start. This brings us to a terrifying idea. What if the first black holes did not come from stars? What if they were born from gas itself? This is a direct collapse black hole. Astronomers call it a heavy seed. Imagine a cloud of gas so pure and so massive that it never becomes a star. It simply collapses under its own weight and becomes a black hole right at the very start. We may have actually seen this happen. In July 2025, Webb spotted the Infinity Galaxy, 2 galaxies colliding. Between their cores was a black hole that looked like it formed out of pure gas. If true, the early universe was not quiet. It was violent. Monster black holes popped into existence like a fully grown woolly mammoth. 4. The dark star alternative. But what if we are all wrong? What if that red smudge is not a black hole at all? A new paper this year suggests objects like JHZ2 might be dark stars. These are stars powered not by fusion, but by dark matter. Dark stars would be millions of times brighter than the sun and cool enough to look red. That fits Webb data. But here is the smoking gun. Astronomers looking at a similar object, JADES GSZ14, found a dip in its light spectrum at 1,640 angstroms. That dip is the signature of helium-2. That is something you would expect from a dark star, but not necessarily from a black hole. If true, we are not looking at a gravity monster. We are looking at the first direct proof that dark matter is real. So we have three options. 1. The first black holes were gluttons that broke the laws of physics. Or 2. They were born as monsters directly from gas. This would also mean that they broke the laws of physics at will. Or 3. They are not black holes at all, but ghosts made of dark matter. If this is true, then this breakthrough would certainly rewrite the history of our universe. Whichever one is true, the history of our universe is being rewritten right now. The Dark Ages were not empty. They were crowded with normal shining stars, blue giants, clouds of gas, and hidden among them, these gravity monsters. Which theory do you think is right? Are we seeing dark matter stars, or monsters purely born out of gas? Tell me in the comments. If you have reached this far, then we would sincerely like to thank you for the support. We would really appreciate if you would like the video and share it among your peers.